Hello guys, welcome back. This is Santosh. Today we again study about the medication error. So, what is a medication error? A medication error is any preventable event that may cause or lead to inappropriate medication use or harm to the patient when the medication is in the control of the healthcare professional, patient or consumer. Now, what are the main causes of medication error? The main causes of medication error are insufficient manpower and workload in the hospital. Look like drugs are the main cause of medication error. Sound alike drugs are also the main cause of medication error. Illegible handwriting of the prescription, it's very common. Insufficient time to counsel the patient about the dose, how to take medicine, side effects, etc. Now, what are the types of medication error? There are 10 types of medication error. First one is omission error, second one is commission error, third one is dosage error, fourth one is dose preparation error, fifth one is wrong time error, next wrong rate of administration error, next wrong route of administration error, wrong patient error, near miss event, no harm event. Now, what is omission error? Omission error occur as a result of action not taken. The failure to administer an ordered dose to a patient before the next scheduled dose, or failure to prescribe a drug product that is indicated for the patient. The failure to administer an ordered dose, exclude patient's refusal and clinical decision or other valid reason not to administer. Commission error. Commission error occurs as a result of a wrong action taken. Now, dosage error. Dosage error occur when medications are administered in the wrong amount, at the wrong frequency and in a different form from that ordered by the prescriber. Dose preparation error. If drugs requiring reconstitution, adding liquid to powder drug, dilution or special preparation prior to dispensing or administration of drug but fail to do so, such type of procedure lead to a wrong drug preparation error. Wrong time error. Administration of medication outside a predefined time interval from its scheduled administration time. Wrong rate of administration error. Most often occurs when medications that are given as IV, push or infusions. This is particularly dangerous with many drugs and may result in significant adverse drug reaction. Examples include tachycardia due to rapid IV epinephrine or red man syndrome due to rapid administration of vancomycin injection. Wrong route of administration error. If medication administered via route different than the intended route, these incidents can result in adverse patient outcome including death. Now, wrong patient error. Wrong patient error can have deadly consequences and can happen almost anywhere in the healthcare process, including patient registration, electronic data entry and transfer, medication administration, medical and surgical intervention, blood transfusion, diagnostic testing, and patient monitoring. Near miss event. A near miss is defined as an account of commission or act of omission that could have harmed the patient but did not to do so. As a result, by the virtue of good luck, skillful management and or prompt evasive action. For example, the patient received a contraindicated drug but did not experience an adverse drug reaction. Prevention. A potentially lethal overdose was prescribed, but the nurse identified the error before administering the medication or mitigation. A lethal overdose was administered but countered with an antidote. No harm event. A harm is defined as an act that could have harmed the patient but did not to do so, as say not exposed to that event. Thank you.